let's make Chinese style stir-fried chicken breast with peppers, and we will serve it with delicious white rice. This is a complete Chinese dish we can make in home under 45 minutes of our time. What's up? My name is Mair. You're watching Mair Born Hungry YouTube channel. I have 4 pounds of the chicken breast, skinless. We have some peppers, some dried chilies, some garlic. These are the long grain rice. We will first put the rice in the rice cooker and then we will prepare our dish. And guess what? It's gonna just take 30 to 45 minutes. Let's take the rice first. Here's the rice cooker, 2 cups of it. Half tablespoon of the salt, and same cup we will take 3 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of the canola oil in here. Give it a mix and let the rice cooker does it work. Let's make the stir-fried chicken breast with peppers, and it's gonna be a Chinese style. Let's move the veggies on the side. Let's take the chicken breast out. Delicious chicken breast. Let's prepare our chicken breast now. Slice it from the center and then make thin slices out of it. Easy ingredients we will be putting in here. This is the kind of thin slices we need. 4 pounds of the chicken breast has been sliced. Put it in a rinse bowl and rinse it with fresh water. Here goes the chicken in the marinade bowl. At this stage we will marinate the chicken and then we will be putting this chicken in our non-stick pot, or you can use wok, and put it on high flame. We will be stir frying this chicken at least for 10 to 15 minutes. So let's do the marinade. For the marinade secret, this is rice vinegar. It goes in the chicken. By count and by measurement for the 4 pounds of chicken breast, we will do 3 tablespoons. Let's take soy sauce. At least 4 tablespoons. For every pound, 1 tablespoon is enough. Worcestershire sauce, 3 tablespoons. Let's take the delicious cornstarch. And let's add the black pepper. So for the 4 pounds, we will do half tablespoon of the black pepper. MSG for the Chinese dishes, it's #1 and it tastes good too, man. I love it. 1 tablespoon of the MSG, monosodium glutamate. Let's take some oil, put it in our, you can do wok or you can do non-stick pan or a pot. So we will do at least 6 to 7 tablespoons of the oil. I'm using canola oil for this time. So let's go, let's mix this. Yum. High protein meal, right? Look at this, marinated delicious chicken. Let's grab it. It's on the high flame and goes in here. Here. "10 minutes on the high flame, 350 to 400 degrees. We will stir fry the chicken breast. This chicken breast. Meantime, let's take green bell pepper, red or whatever color you like. So take at least 2 whole bell peppers. You can mix and match. We got orange, red and green. Here goes the sun-dried red chilies. They will go in here. Since it's a stir-fried pepper, right? Stir-fried chicken breast with peppers. So we have peppers going on here. Let's take at least 10 to 12 fresh cloves of garlic and at least 100 grams of fresh ginger. Ginger is ready, garlic is ready, and looks like our chicken is ready as well. The initial stir fry is done. Let me use a tong. Look at this. Yummy? Oh my god. Tender? Yes. Let's dish this out right now. Here, on a separate plate. Our chicken is perfectly ready. Same pot. We'll take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. First we will take ginger and garlic, saute it for 5 minutes. So this will build the whole flavor for the dish. In the meantime, let's take some soy sauce, at least 2 tablespoons. We will take regular salt. Let's do half tablespoon. This chicken is so delicious. So 5 minutes, let's saute it. Here goes the sun-dried peppers. After 5 minutes, the garlic rawness is almost gone. Here goes the pepper. We will cook the pepper until they are tender. Until they are soft. Here you go. So easy, huh? Sauteed. If you are using a bowl, put a lid. If you are using a pot, put a lid. It makes the whole work easy and fast. And this chicken is seriously so good. Together, it's been 30 minutes since we started this process from the scratch. So here you go. Our peppers, garlic. This is ready. Our delicious chicken is ready. So here you go. Just land the chicken in here. Whoa, yummy. Give it a mix. This is how it's supposed to look after adding the chicken. For next 5 minutes, put it on simmer. So let all the magic happens in 5 minutes. Let's dish out the rice. It's more on the perfect dot flavor. Rice are ready. Perfecto. Look at this. Chinese rice. And here you go. Dish is ready. Turn off the stove. And my friend, let's dive in. This is the taste test. I got chopsticks. For sure, we're gonna try the chopsticks. But here you go. As a chef test, chicken breast stir-fried with peppers. This is what I'm talking about. Yum. There you go. Perfect combo with the rice. Stir-fried chicken breast. Make it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe, join, hit the bell icon. I'll see you on the next one. Let me enjoy this, my Chinese recipe. Easy to do. I showed you the whole process. Delicious way to eat chicken breast. Spoonful bite.